Hey folks, I'm going to show you how to scan a page on Debian Linux. Now in order to scan though, you need to have a printer installed. If you do not have a printer installed, check out the link I posted here so that you can install a printer on Debian Linux. Now once your printer is installed, scanning is super simple. All you really need to do is, if you want to check for your printer, by the way, just click on the super button and type print and go to print settings. And if you notice, it should recognize your printer. I have two different printers I connect to at different locations, so that's why I'm showing that there. Okay, so as long as your printer's showing up there, you're good. Next, to scan, just like we did it there, we press the super button and we type the word scan. You notice there's a program called Super Scan. Just hit that, or Simple Scan. Here we go. Now, we have two options on scanning. You can either scan single pages or all the pages from the feeder. The feeder is that thing that you put on top of some scanners that take more than one page. So if you have the feeder, select this. Otherwise, just leave this alone. Now to start a scan, just hit scan. There you go. And there it starts. Now we're not done. As you notice, this thing is too long. So you don't want to send somebody a super long page. So we click here where it says the scissors, that says crop. And we select, and we make sure that this is about the right size that we want to send. Okay. And what I did is I double-clicked. These are some old notes that I took, but anyway. And there's the page. If you double-click on it, it's going to give you the actual page that you need. Okay. Now, you click on these three lines here, and you have the option to open a copy, save a copy, send to. Okay, and just click Save a Copy. And select the best place to save it. So we'll just send it to the desktop and we'll give it a name. Since these are my old notes from a book called 7 Countries, I'll call it 7. The other option you have is the format. Now notice mine says TIFF. That's an old scanning format, and that's usually the best format to use for this type of scan. Usually. So we click Save, and you'll notice that it's now on the desktop. Now, if you want to send this file, say I want to upload it to my Slack account, to my Slack postings. So I log on to Slack. For my group, it's this, t4sly.slack.com. And if I'm in Slack, I can actually just drag and drop this. Like that. Did you notice? I just do this. Drop to upload to Slack. So I release, and there it says 7 countries. Oops, I miswrote it, but anyway, 7 count. Oh no, it is 7 countries, but it's just, anyway. Example scan. This is an example of a scan. No need to read it. Please ignore. There. I'm just uploading it to my group, and I just wanted to show you how it works. You click upload, and as you can see it says it's uploading it. There it goes. And there's the scan. If you want to post it to somebody individually, you can just select them. and send them the scan too, just like this. Test, scan. This is a test. Please ignore. So, if you got any questions, let me know.